In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Photoshop Generative Fill error that says couldn't generate your prompt due to connection issue. This is a very common problem many Photoshop users run into when trying to use Generative Fill or other Adobe Firefly powered tools. Usually the issue is not with your prompt at all. Instead, it's caused by connection problems between Photoshop and Adobe's cloud services. The good news is that there are several simple fixes you can try, and most people solve the issue in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through each solution step by step so you can get Generative Fill working again quickly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials and fixes. Now let's go ahead and start with the first solution. The first thing you should check is your internet connection. Generative Fill works through Adobe's cloud servers, so Photoshop needs a stable internet connection to process your prompt. If your internet is slow, unstable, or temporarily disconnected, Photoshop may show the connection error. Try opening a website to confirm your connection is working. If your internet seems unstable, restarting your router can often fix the problem quickly. The next fix is to sign out and sign back into your Adobe account. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your computer. Click on your profile icon and choose Sign Out. After signing out, close Creative Cloud completely, then reopen it and sign back in using your Adobe account. This refreshes your authentication with Adobe servers and often restores access to generative AI features. Another important step is making sure Photoshop is fully updated. Open the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps section, and check if there is an update available for Photoshop. Adobe frequently releases updates that fix bugs and improve cloud connectivity, so installing the latest version can resolve the Generative Fill connection error. Next, we need to make sure generative AI and cloud processing are enabled inside Photoshop. Open Photoshop, then go to Edit, then Preferences, and choose Image Processing. Inside this section, look for the Generative AI or Cloud Processing option and make sure it is enabled. If this setting is turned off, Photoshop won't be able to send your prompt to Adobe's AI servers. Another common cause of this error is a VPN or strict firewall blocking Adobe servers. If you are using a VPN, try temporarily disabling it and then test Generative Fill again. Some corporate or security firewalls can also block cloud communication, so turning those off temporarily can help confirm whether they are causing the issue. Next, try restarting Photoshop completely. Close the application fully, wait a few seconds, and open it again. This simple step refreshes the connection between Photoshop and Adobe's cloud services. After trying these fixes, Generative Fill should reconnect to Adobe servers and start working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Photoshop fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.